On the left side of the screen, you see all of the trading assets. For each of them, there are two circles, a green one and a red one. When one of these circles gets filled, it means that a signal will be generated in the middle of the screen, and you will be able to invest. The purpose of this monitoring section is to show you how close the software is to generate a profitable signal, so you are prepared for it. In the middle of the screen, you see all the signals of the trading assets, which you can trade straight away. In each rectangle, you have the following information: the trading asset, whether your investment is short, medium, or long-term, whether the option is put or call, the remaining time by which your order has to be placed, and lastly, you have the name of your respective broker displayed here. Each signal is valid only for the broker displayed in the Trade With button. On the right side of the screen, you can sort your orders from the drop-down menu, and then you can see the information about your opened and closed positions. To place an order, the first thing you will have to do is to enter the amount of money you would like to invest. Please take into account that the minimum investment may vary from broker to broker. Once you've entered the investment value, click on the Trade With button, and a new window will appear. Then, click the Approve button, and your order will be placed. Finally, if you want to use the full potential of the software and trade all the signals, you will have to connect more brokers. To do this, you have to click on the green plus button, and a new window will appear, where you have two options. First, to connect another broker if you already have an account. And second, to register a new broker by filling out the information. Your already connected brokers are displayed here. If you need to watch this video tutorial again, you can always do it by clicking here. In case you face any difficulties, click on Connect Us button. When you have finished trading, click on the Logout button. Thank you for watching.
I want to show you just how easy it is to use Binary Boom. It's basically as easy as waiting, then pushing a button. Well, pushing a button several times. My Binary Boom presentation video explains why several times is important, so please take time to watch that. As explained in my presentation video, my Binary Boom software monitors the markets and tries to find a boom. That's basically where a flat, indecisive market suddenly starts moving in one clear direction, up or down. In other words, it's begun to trend. When my software finds a market boom, it's time to start placing trades in the direction of the trend. In an uptrend, you place calls. In a downtrend, you place puts. So, here's how it looks in real life. After accessing Binary Boom, the first thing you see is this column on the left. This is the monitoring section of the system. Each of these boxes represents a currency pair being monitored, and the system simply waits for a boom to show up on one or more of these currency pairs. There's nothing for you to do here except watch the red and green circles, which you'll notice are constantly changing in size. When one of these circles for a given currency pair expands to full size, that means a boom has started. Here's an example. The red circle for Euro-US dollar has grown to full size, which means a put boom has started. Once a boom starts, you're able to place trades on that currency pair. As you can see, a Euro-US dollar box has appeared in the main panel. Simply enter the amount you want to trade and click the Click to Trade button. That's it. The first put trade of this boom has been placed. Remember, the trend formed by each boom only lasts for 10 to 15 minutes, but will generally trigger 6 to 8 trade opportunities during that time. Here at the top, you can see the estimated time remaining for the boom. After placing the first trade, you'll just keep waiting for the next signal and ride the trend. Okay, here's another signal for this boom. Again, a put, as this is a put boom. Let's place the trade. Done. Remember that new currency pairs will regularly appear in the main panel as the system constantly scans the price feeds to identify new booms and signals. Look, Binary Boom has found another boom. This time it's a call boom. for Great British Pound US dollar. So, just as with Euro US dollar, decide how much you want to trade, then click the Click to Trade button, and that's it. There will be times when you have 5 or 6 active booms in the main panel, so expect some very active and exciting moments. I'll pause the video for a while and let the main panel fill up a bit so you can see what I mean. Okay, back. Look, 6 active booms. I'm telling you, you're going to love this. Lots of action and lots of money piling up in your account.